What's up, YouTube? Today I got this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Customer's complaining of having to get jump started. I've already tested the battery. The battery's testing bad. I'm going to show you how to replace it today. And this takes an AGM battery. Already got the battery here. Let's do this. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Now, on these AGM batteries, you have to also do a battery relearn whenever you're done with this. And I'm going to show you how to do that too with the scan tool. Anyways, enough talk. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is pop up these little plastic tabs. Apply head action. Goes in a safe spot. Pull up on your little cover there, get it out of your way. Now we're going to take loose the battery terminals. Negative first. Going to do a little installation cover. Yeah, what's left of it. Something's been chewing on that. Alright, now we're going to take a 12 millimeter, take our hold down off. Now, the fun part. Lifting that bad boy out of there. It's not light. Okay. Grab your hold down. Just until it stops. Put your positive on first. Push it all the way down. Get the right socket. And I'm not even putting that cover back on. It's just completely destroyed. Alright, let's see if we can fit this on. Not going to happen. It's alright, it's the negative. Positive's got to protect the cover over it. My tool's out of the way here. This beautiful Labor Day. Having to work on Labor Day kind of sucks, but it is what it is. But I'm off the next 2 days. I can go home and party hardy tonight and sleep in tomorrow. Alright, now I'm going to register this battery. And you might be wondering why you have to register a battery. These AGM batteries have a module that detects the current charge of the battery, and as the battery starts wearing and getting older, that computer adjusts accordingly to the condition of the battery. And if you don't register your battery, you could end up with some weird symptoms, electrical symptoms if not. So even if you don't have a scan tool to register your battery, if you want to, I gotta put some air in that tire. If you want to go by a shop, most technicians won't mind registering your battery for you if you want to change it yourself. So we're going to go to reset on the scanner. Now this is going to be laid out a little differently depending on what kind of scan tool. Go to battery reset. This is a Hyundai Santa Fe. Where was she built? In Georgia. That's cool. My hometown. My home state. So we're gonna go to USA. Santa Fe Sports. Read your little prompts here. So I've got to turn the engine off, turn it back on just to the accessory position. Okay. That's simple. Boom. Alright, I'm going to return this vehicle to the customer. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Check like. Peace out, YouTube.